Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have the Nissan Z here, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your door panel. Alright, so now that we have the door open, I'm going to teach you how to remove the door panel. You're going to have a lower piece right here, lower piece of plastic. You just pop it free with a pick, and it looks like there's two 10 millimeter bolts. Obviously lefty-loosey. And once we pull those off, we're going to go up to the top by the door handle, and you're going to see it's kind of hard to tell. You probably won't be able to see in video, but there's a little opening right here. It looks like it's meant to have a clip go in there so you don't completely destroy the door panel. So push it in, then this pulls out, and then you're going to have another 10 mil behind that. And once you have those three 10 mils out, we're going to go from the bottom now. And I like to slide my clip remover in between the door and the door panel. Not super far, but just enough to kind of get it to where your fingers can get in there. And then just go around the border of the door panel, pop that free. Once you feel it free completely up, we're just going to lift this straight off of here, and then the actuator is plugged in. So you slide that out of there, slide that like that, that pops out. And then I had already unplugged the window switches. You don't have to do that, but if you didn't take your window switches out, then you'd be unplugging this right now. But I always find it a little easier to pull the window switches out, unplug that, and then just keep everything together. So that is how you remove your door panel on your new Z.